Hi, I'm Colin McCarthy, and for the last few weeks I've been testing the HTC Hero on the 3 network. I've spoken about how it operates as a phone and for sending text messages, but the other great thing that I do like about it is how you can browse the internet on it. I think the inbuilt browser is exceptionally good. It allows you to view any web page. You don't have to view the mobile version. It's very easy to scroll around. The other thing it does is email. Handles Gmail and Google Apps Mail very well. I find that very quick, often appearing on the phone before it would appear on my computer. Also, you can thread conversations just like you can in Gmail, so it makes it very easy to manage your email on the go, although I still do have trouble with the virtual keyboard, and I find that the slower I go, the better response I get. The other good thing that I like about the phone, it has good GPS reception with Google Maps, which ties into latitude to give your friends an idea of where you are, and also the marketplace. There are some great applications you can install on here. There is Dropbox, there's Evernote, there is Log Me In. I think it's one of the strengths of Android. It's all of the programs you can download. So let me see if I can show you some. Okay, so let's show you the browser on the HTC Hero. We start up the browser just from the shortcut on the main screen, and it takes us to the 3 homepage. And as you can see, I'm connecting via Wi-Fi at the moment because the HTC does have, the Hero does have Wi-Fi built in. If we want to search for something, we can just click the little magnifying button down here, brings up the Google search bar, and then it shows my previous history. So if we click on the BBC News page, it will load, and then we can just move around on the screen. If we wanted to zoom in on that image, we can just use our 2 fingers and we can pinch the image or expand it. I think I might have expanded it too far then. Let's go back in, and we can scroll around and we can view the page, and we can zoom in again. Too far. Let's go down a bit, and then we can easily click links and load new pages. That I really like. I find the browser to be very good because you don't have to worry about knowing the URL or hoping that the site you want to go to is going to redirect you correctly on whichever other browser you're using. And you can view any normal formatted web page. This is the BBC site just as it looks like on the BBC, just on a computer. It's the full web in your pocket, and that I do like about the HTC Hero. Very nice. Okay, other applications. As I said before, when you log in, it takes you to Gmail. You log in with your Gmail account or your Google Apps account, and all your email will come in to that application here. I find these very good, very responsive. You can scroll around, you can do reply, you can do forward. Very good. Also, it gives you another mail application which allows you to enter in any other IMAP or POP address, or it will even sync with Outlook or Microsoft Exchange if you've got corporate email, and I've tested that and that worked very well. So email and browsing is very good with a nice bright screen. The other thing that's great is all the other applications you can install. If we go to the marketplace, the Android marketplace, you can either browse by application, or you can search for stuff. Then you just select, download. You've got different categories here. So communications, it will show all the communication programs. Some of these are free, some of them you have to pay for. You just click on them, it downloads in the background automatically, and then it's available. So I've installed a few programs on here which I find very useful. There is Dropbox, which allows you to share files. Normally it's only recently been released, the Dropbox application, and it allows you to share files with other people or yourself, back up stuff to the cloud. I find that very, very useful. The other program that I like on here is Log Me In. If you are in any sort of support role or you have multiple computers you need to gain access to, there's a little Log Me In client so you can remote access your computers. That's very good. And the other program that I put on the wrong button I've hit on the desktop is Evernote. Evernote is a really good note-taking application. It's great for keeping your life organized. It runs on Windows or Mac and also on the internet. Everything's backed up to the cloud, but they also have a very good Android and iPhone client. So you can keep all of your notes on here. You can take pictures. It's all very good. I've got loads of to-do lists on here, stuff I need to organize. I've added all this on the computer and it gets synced to the phone. It's very, very useful. So they're the things I like. Browsing is very good, gives you the full web. Email is very good, and I do like the fact you can install thousands of applications with just a couple of clicks. So that's continuation of my thoughts on the HTC Hero on 3.